Hello guys, it's Lucky75 from Hardware Heaven channel. Today I want to show you unboxing of this amazing Joby tripod, which one is very good, very soft skill, so you can put your smartphone on any place and use it like original tripod to do your amazing videos. Let's see what we have inside this good box. Yep. Here is documentation. Yes, we have a Bluetooth connection to your smartphone. And let's open it. Careful. So this one is a fancy remote control, but I need a little more help to open this one. So this one is a fancy remote control. You can use this one to control your smartphone remotely. This one is plastic for your phone, and this one is the tripod is himself, so you can connect it here, put your smartphone over there, and it's ready to be used. Nice. Very nice. So you can move it to any direction. Yeah, I like it. It's good. If you like this video, press the like button below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.